right, so this is a set of Eppfun Global Professional Audio Products brand this is a USB Bluetooth transmitter. So what this would be used for is, say, a computer that does not have Bluetooth. You can take one of these little devices, slide it out of this really overly nice packaging that they put it in, and then tear it out of this overly nice packaging that they put this in, and you basically just plug this into, gotta get the other one, there we go. So this part would plug into your computer and would give you that Bluetooth transmission. Now what's really cool is it also includes this extra bit where you can turn a USB-C port into a port that would support this device. So you may not need this. Actually, most people won't need this, but you should be able to just plug this into your computer. It should instantly install, and once it installs, then you'll be able to go into your Bluetooth settings on your computer and connect you a device to this device, like a Bluetooth speaker, a Bluetooth headset, something like that. So essentially, taking a computer that does not have Bluetooth and using a little USB port to give that computer Bluetooth. Get out the little instruction manual here for you, and you can see how to pair your device, insert into the USB port of the terminal device. So I know this will work on a computer, don't fully know, for other things. You could definitely use it on a PC